The overall goal of this video is to demonstrate the assembly, disassembly, organization, reassembly method to prepare new zeolite materials by disassembling a pre-assembled zeolite into its components before organizing and reassembling them in different ways to form new materials.
Zeolites are extremely important solids that are used in a variety of industries, from oil refinery catalysts to antibacterial coatings on medical devices. The ADOR method for preparing zeolites is very different to traditional methods of zeolite synthesis, and as a consequence, the types of materials we can prepare also differ. This opens up many opportunities for new applications. In this video, we will show you how to make two new zeolites that have different pore sizes: IPC4, which has the smallest pore size, and the larger IPC2.
To assemble the parent germanium UTL zeolite, first dissolve 1.08 grams of germanium dioxide into 15 milliliters of a solution of the structure-directing agent. Add 1.246 grams of fumed silicon dioxide portion-wise to the solution and stir for a further 30 minutes until a homogeneous solution is formed. Transfer the resulting gel to a polytetrafluoroethylene-lined autoclave. Then place it in an oven and heat to 175 degrees Celsius for 10 days. After 10 days, remove the autoclave from the oven and allow it to cool naturally to room temperature. Recover the white zeolite product by filtration. Wash with copious amounts of water before drying the zeolite.